From candidacy to clinic, our team can help you every step of the way. And with only 120 days left in the year, it's time to advance your drug development program with a faster solution: US FDA-supported model-informed drug development. September 12th through the 13th, learn how to predict safety risk with our quantitative system toxicology software at the 2-day DILIsym training workshop in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina. Prevent delays, unexpected adverse events, and get to market faster. September 16th to the 20th, Senior Research Fellow Bob Clark is attending EuroQSAR in Greece. Learn more about our high-throughput pharmacokinetic simulation model in ADMET Predictor, as well as novel regression uncertainty in our machine learning models during Bob's oral and poster presentations. September 23rd through the 25th, Cognigen's Associate Director of Quantitative Clinical Pharmacology, Inger Darling, will be exhibiting at this year's ACCP meeting in Bethesda, Maryland. Stop by booth 301 to learn how we can assist your development team in all aspects of pharmacology, from the study design of preclinical studies to the preparation of pharmacology sections of your IND and everything else in between. But that's not all. This month, our calendar also includes conferences focused on animal-free alternatives for toxicology, resting state brain connectivity, as well as the highly anticipated results from the 5-year Orbital project. For a full list of our fall news and events, visit us online at simulations-plus.com.